Welcome to ERP Industry Insights, the podcast where we dive deep into the real world manufacturing challenges and explore how modern ERP solutions can transform the way industries operate. Today, we're talking about a critical topic tackling supply chain issues in plastic injection molding. Well, plastic injection molding manufacturers are the heart of industries like automotive, packaging, electronics, and healthcare. But when it comes to supply chain and raw materials, the challenges are growing sharper every day. From volatile resin prices to supply delays and quality inconsistencies, these supply chains disruptions directly affect production timelines, profitability, and overall customer satisfaction. Let's break down the four biggest pain points manufacturers are facing. Volatile raw material prices. Well, resins, additives, and colorants fluctuate heavily, making it tough to maintain stable margins. Unreliable supplier lead times. A delay in raw materials can stall production lines and cause missed deadlines. Material shortages or last minute substitutions. Manufacturers are forced to compromise on quality or delay deliveries. Batch to batch inconsistency. Even slight variations in raw material properties affect product uniformity and increase rework costs. Now, this is where ERP systems like Odoo step in as game changers. Here's how you get real time supplier management, using which you can track supplier performance, lead times, and reliability with clear dashboards. Smart procurement planning. Automated purchase scheduling based on production, forecasts, and historical data is there for you. Material traceability. From resin batch to finished component, every step is tracked digitally for compliance and quality control. Cost control tools. You're able to monitor raw material price fluctuations and adjust quotations dynamically to protect profit margins. Alternative supplier mapping. ERP keeps a list of secondary vendors ready, minimizing the risk from shortages. Let's take an example. A mid-sized injection molding manufacturer supplying automotive parts use ERP to automate procurement. By integrating demand forecasting with purchase orders, they were able to reduce raw material shortages by 30% and cut the excess inventory holding costs by almost 18% in just 1 year. So, whether you are struggling with volatile resin prices or inconsistent suppliers, or simply looking to tighten your supply chain, ERP is not just a software, it's a strategic tool for resilience and profitability in the plastic injection molding industry. That's it for today's episode of ERP Industry Insights. If you found this valuable, don't forget to subscribe, share, and stay tuned for our next session where we'll continue exploring how ERP transforms industries one process at a time. And if you still have any questions or queries, you can drop us an email at sales@aperton.com. Till next time, it's adios from my end.